Hi everybody, I'm obsessed with Clinique retractable lip liners. They're not just good, they're amazing. $25, made in Germany, fragrance free, pantolene free, paraben free, they're long wearing, and most important, they're creamy, but they not run, they stay so good, and I like to use them sometimes is my lipstick. I will put one of this lip liner on my lips and people will say, what lipstick do you have? I have just lip liner from Clinique. And I actually love how they looks. Again, they're $25. It's 16 colors. I do not have all 16, but if you will go to my Instagram, Katya Beauty Style, I did swatch 16 colors there, and I will swatch for you what I have, and also I am expecting little bit packaging, few colors. I will add it later to this video, but let me show you, let me swatch these lip liners for you because they're incredible and it's very hard to find retractable lip liners. This is how lip liner look. We have a gray cap. Here you can see a color. Again, they are retractable. You don't need a sharpener, but if you really want to sharpen your lip liner, I will show you how. I always have next to my desk paper towel, and all what I do with lip liners or eyeliners, I just sharpen them just like this, and look how pointy now. I don't have anything on my lips. First color, which one I'm gonna try, it's Color Bamboo number 33. This is Color Bamboo. Again, look at how my lips looks big, natural. This color just enhance my lips. It's little bit darker than my lip color, but it's really pretty. A lot of time I apply this lip liner on the entire my lips, and people will say, oh my god, I love your lipstick. And all what I have, it's lip liner from Clinique, and again, this lip liner stay creamy and will not dry your lips. This is Color Bamboo. It looks spectacular on my lips, and again, it just enhances my natural lips. This is Color Bamboo, and it's a mauve neutral color. Second color, which one I'm gonna show you, it's number 17, Soft Nude. And now I have on the entire my lips color Soft Nude. I feel I need just put little bit lip gloss moisture search from Clinique. And voila, look at this beautiful color. Another one of my favorite color, it's Cocoa Rose. I sell in a lot. I grab in this lip liner a lot. Again, very beautiful lipstick. Let me try, sorry, lip liner. Let me try for you, and it's number 28. This is Cocoa Rose. Again, it just enhances my lips. It's very beautiful. You know what? I want to compare to first color, which one I try, because I feel it's kind of similar. Right here it's Bamboo, and this is Cocoa Rose, and it's definitely have more little bit pinky rosy color, and Bamboo have little bit more brown. But they two beautiful lip colors, you can't go wrong. This is so beautiful formula. I like how it looks on my lips, how it feels. And again, we don't even have a lipstick. This is just lip liners, but they just enhance my lips. They don't feel dry. And if you feel a little bit dry, again, I will suggest to put a lip gloss from Clinique. It's clear, will give you nice moisture, and now 100% your lips will not feel dry. Now I have another beautiful color, Crush Berry. I not even opened this lip liner. I already like this. It's like a beautiful pinky color. Okay, let's try it on my lips. This is so beautiful. You don't even need lipstick. This is such a beautiful pink color. It's very hard to find color like this. And I will share with you my secret. Probably 70% I just wearing only lip liner on my lips because it stays good, it's fragrance free, it's paraben free, and for couple hours I don't even need to reapply. All what I do sometimes put lip gloss, and yes, here I can go with Clinique, with Chanel, with Lancome, with any another brand, and I do not apply on entire my lips, just on the center, because if you will put lip gloss on the entire your lips, and girl like me after 40, maybe I get already a little bit lines and wrinkles, it will start bleeding. Just put in the center and then lip gloss will go where it's supposed to go, and it's not gonna be too much. And I will show you what I mean. I have Christian Dior lip maximizer, again just a little bit right here on the center. A lot of time I like to use lip plumpers. They will a little bit more plump my lips, even make them more bigger, pretty, and handsome. And what else? What do we have for beauty? But I know I talk too much, or many times say beautiful, 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 gorgeous. I have another pretty color, and this is Intense Cosma. When you see, usually it says intense, it's me little bit more intense, a little bit more, I would say, rich color. Let's try this, and this is its number 08. Wow, I'm smiling. I feel so pretty, I feel very sexy, and you know what? I don't know why I like this lip liner. I using this lip liner a lot, but I never apply on entire my lips. But now when I put this lip liner on entire my lips, I think this one is my favorite because it just gives me this like extra pop, but it's not too much. It just, again, it looks beautiful. Girls, I'm just looking in the mirror already 5 minutes because I am absolutely in love with this lip color. I cannot stop looking myself because it's pretty. I swatch Intense Cosma on my hand. Yeah, you can't go wrong with this color. Now I have for you chocolate chip, and it's pretty deep color. Let me try for you this lip color, but wait, don't think about it's gonna be too dark or not pretty. This is beautiful color. I actually love to use this lip color with like a deep mauve lipstick or even red lipstick. It's pretty. This is just lip liner, and can you see how smooth this lip liner go on my lips? Again, very beautiful quality, made in Germany. Nice, so pretty, rich, but it's not too dark. It's not looks black. It's a beautiful brown, again chocolate color. I love it. I'm so excited. I forgot to even show you how packaging looks. This is how lip liner packaging look. It says Clinique, and we have with you 26 gram of products inside. Okay, let's again continue. I will show you Intense Gem number 09. This is color Intense Gem, it's number 9, and it's a beautiful rose fuchsia color. It's also hard to find color like this. Intense Gem, it's giving me this beautiful pop, but again, this is color, if you look it on my lips, it's not intense screaming color. It's very pretty, give me a pop, but again, it's not like a scream where people can see me from mileage. I really like. I have another beautiful lip color for you, but do you want me to create a video with all Clinique, my favorite items? I know this is my #1 favorite product from Clinique, but I do have a lot of products which one I really like, and I really don't understand why a lot of YouTubers, they don't talk about Clinique, because we all start with Clinique. We all love Clinique. It's a beautiful line. Time for me to try this beautiful red color, Intense Passion 05. Intense Passion, it's your true blue undertone lip liner. It's not your true red, it's your blue undertone red. This is your Intense Passion, very beautiful color. By the way, I will list below this product, but subscribe my YouTube channel. So many times these lip liners go on sale, and I constantly, when they go on sale, I always put on my Instagram, Clinique lip liners on sale, Clinique lip liners on sale, or Clinique on sale, because if you wanna buy a couple and they're like 15 or 20% off, I think it's a good deal, right? Love you more than ice cream. Subscribe, comments below, and if you're new to my YouTube channel, love you more than ice cream. Like I promise you, I have few more colors for you to see. I'm gonna try for you 01 lip blush. On my lips right now, it's 01 beautiful color lip blush, and I know some of you gonna ask me, Katerina, what blush are you wearing? And I'm wearing number 14 Heather Pop from Clinique. This is sample, but I really like it. It's so pretty, pinky color. Another neutral color for you, and it's number 18. It's really neutral. Wow, this is beautiful, kissable. You know what? Men likes soft lip color usually, because when they see black or navy, they don't want to kiss you. This is, I will say, very kissable lip color. You know what? I really want to add Christian Dior Lip Maximizer 001 just right here on center. And look how pretty and sexy now. Oh my god, I forgot to mention something so important. Yes, May 6 to May 27 at Nordstrom, we're gonna have amazing gift with Clinique gift with purchase. If you spend $37, you're gonna have a beautiful gift, and then if you spend $60, you will get extra, and if you spend $80, it will be another extra. Again, remember, May 6 to May 29, it's Clinique gift at Nordstrom, and of course it's free shipping. Reach me on Instagram. I will put together your merchandise gift. I'll put something extra for you, I promise. And sorry, it's only for United States promotion. Sorry. Love you more than ice cream. Let's continue. This is color, it's neutral, and it is neutral. And what I see so far right now, some colors really similar. If it's one color sold out or discontinue, you have a plenty similar colors on this collection. They're slightly different, but not too different. It's so hard to find beautiful orange lip liner, and Clinique got you. Yeah, look at this color. It's color Intense Cayenne number 04. It's a beautiful orange color. Wow, this is beautiful, and again, it's very hard to find lip color like this, and I'm shocked. Every single color I love in this collection. It's amazing. Wow, look at how beautiful my lips. Again, all what I need right now to add a little bit lip gloss for hydration, and it's beautiful lip liner. This is color 04 Intense Cayenne. This is color Chili. It looks a little bit, we get into a color lip liner. Wow, now we truly can see difference, right? Whereas I have lip liner where I do not have, it's not your neutral color. It's really nice, beautiful pop, but it's not too bright and it's not too deep. This is color Chili. It looks so pretty with my hair color. Oh, I love it. I need colors. I feel I'm missing colors. Let's try Intense Cranberry. This is very beautiful color. It truly perfect name for this lip color. It's Cranberry, Intense Cranberry. I will suggest if you have a red blue lipstick, you will go with this color. And again, it's Intense Passion. But if you have a true red, I will go with Cranberry, Intense Cranberry. We do not have in this collection true red color. Clinique, listen to me, bring us true red lip color, but I will go for, for real red color, true red, I'll go with Cranberry. Ooh, time to try something deep and sexy. Wow, it's pretty. It is like, I will say, like rich plummy, rich fuchsia. It's like everything it's here. It's like plummy, fuchsia. It is deep, dark color, but it's pretty. Okay, it's no brown. It's definitely, it has this plummy, I would say little bit more blue undertone. It is very pretty. It's like a wine, and if you will reapply few times, you can almost looks like black, but it's not black. It is pretty. If you're looking for deep blue, I will say yes, it's licorice. What, you know, like it's a navy grape color. This is how I'll describe. I feel I need little bit lip balm. I apply right now just clear lip balm, and now I am happy. It is rich, it is deep, but it's pretty. This is color Intense Licorice. It's definitely gonna be my fall color. It is pretty with my dark hair. Oh, it's beautiful. Again, remember, love you more than ice cream. Comments below and message me on Instagram if you want any of this lip liner. I will send you home, and of course I will put nice beautiful gift for you from Clinique. Bye everybody.